Newe ye channel no eye Coastal TV Digital 514 Samsung and I will Facebook and YouTube wamade answer obekọ ho na afei wo send the link no ede amobi na yetimi a check aseboy ama so nkofo bebre eso medin eye AFIBA ESSIEN kaseboy omo amaso yase ayede ebre no eye National Petroleum Authority NPA yesanso ye wo Nesto Ventures sanso and a Patmo Print Diesel gift shop and the taste catering services boy chidon pa antina yede kaseboy ede ebre na ewie ensema obeteno ebi ene se enamiensani ye clean up exercise no ewie ye no den ene ekoso ewo ogwa ehasei yede eno amane bo ede bebro sanso ena yebekwa akopiem ewo interior ministry na eye vice president etutu anamo akwakoye nsahwe ewo ho yede mu ensam so ebebro sanso na bank kese Bank of Ghana edi enimu aye ncheche ama adesuafo bi ede no musuaye yede no so amane bo ebeba abesomo na emabunu a chese ye hye wo mu esapomu den se ne be ya ombetimi edidibre enkanka policies no eno so ebi ekoso na the big party enema bi ekoso ha yede mu enchibu ebebrel ensem no doso ebi ka we ho na ewie yede brel Yenshase ana yenshase emfiri yankasa yediem eye ogwa Cape Coast na miensani na omampanyin John Dramani Mahama ene mpanyinfo ehye yese yemfansi ho na yenye clean up exercise nti na otwe mu efiada no ene meminde etwa mu ya no omanfo bomodin ti omohugu monten so ekokoye wansi edwumadie ekoye pa nipa bebe pa na etimi Coastal TV ebetimi akase yehu se omaba na omobabe wansi dwumadie na miensa echi no ye clean up exercise and asa wansi dwumadie no wie no echi no na den na ekoso ewo krom ate wan anaso se omanfo no still na se omode bola egu ebebia eni se omode bola egu na mpo enwura na ye prepraye no gata na ye titi mu no adona ye do ye no ye prepra so na ye praso no so ye saye anaso se yansa eno ene ensem bia ekoso ewo omanfo animenti se wo hwe wo TV so a na eno a Coastal TV ye bo modern ekobo apro ewo enkanka abra efa bi na utimu hu se gata ye titi mu ene enwura hodo a ye yiyi efri gata nimu no ebesi na me no ekasai no enwura no adaso egu gata no ano a chese ebesi nne no yehu obi a osa na yehu obi a osesa ede akọ bola na akwakoye asem a eye asefempa ansa ne eba be hye wansi dwumadie no asenumpo no omapan John Dramani Mahama eka se we no yempese ebeye ne se yewie no na chese ye gyanwura no egu ho na akwaye cost 90 enu ntimpo o hye Zoom Lion mpanyinfo se omo eye waste disposable centers no omonye na omumie bia no se ne ebe ya ase ewie ni yesese nwura na yebetimi ede akoho sanso na George Justice Arthur Mayor of Cape Coast ono so ema Cape Coast enya ne ntiese omanya eye tools ahodo mbetimi ede aprapra no mu wiempo na omobesesa efi ho na nkwankoye boachibidin ama omanfo nanso ebesi enra ewia brebra Coastal TV ebo anamo ekọ amonten so no yehu se eye nwura no adaso egu ho a obia emfane nsa enkaye nwura no daso gu ho a yensesa ye ne akasa ye de kọ bolampo na we no eye hwan na eye hwan de betimi ede so mo no ama no eye MCE ana mpanyifo ana aso setememufo no na ye de so mo ebema wo mo nti we ene report a Coastal TV yetimi ede ye ni kwotwa mansa ekwohwe ye okrom aye betimi ye de ensa esi ebu akasa we ene ne ekoso ewo monten so yantu akasebo no eso na yemfa ye ni enkokyeremu ewo Interior Ministry na sese ameno kase no the Vice President Professor Jane Nana Opoko Ajimai abomodien tutu anamo akonsrahwe ewo Interior Ministry ho achese ono omo akwakodi nkita ho fefefe ni nyina se ne ebe ya omo adwuma ebekoso na mfasode aga na enya efi Interior Ministry ne so no eno so ebekoso papa na odu ho na ohia Interior Minister Owura Muntaka na Muntaka Owura Muntaka kasa no na ochire mu se enema bebre enegu akwam dwumadi bebre na Interior Ministry no so etu omunan asifom se omopese omoye na oman no efa ne ntuma pa enfra enkanka enubone ho edwadie enubone enom enubone ho nsensema ekoso na nsen no omopese omobomodea na omutu anamo se ne be ya yanti bi nkakra ewo yempotem emre bi a edi enmu eba no na okasa no ochemu se omompese be ye ne se omo a etwe omo a enom enkoa na ombetu omo so sa na emom no obibia ne nsahya ase obibia woton ne from se drug pushers ni omo keka ka ho ni nyina so ompese omuntu ase emfri sa biaye no na eba ne sa na bibia ebekwa akodadin.
As we speak, we'll be able to tend 73 assets that are linked to people who are drug trafficking, because we are trying to move away from simply just getting those who are being caught either smoking or using it, but we are targeting those who are really bringing the drugs into our system. By the grace of God and the help of the Chief Justice, we'll be able to get a dedicated court to prosecute our narcotics, all narcotic offenses in a special court.
Sansona omampeni abediache Professor Jane Nana Opoko Ajiman ono so okasa no na ochemu se gidi afense gidi de e wose Ghana for etimi enye bi ewo ministry ni mu any ministry nkaya ewo aban mu no enyina ni senti no ekwan bia Ministry of Interior ebefa so dwuma bia omobedi nhihye bia omobeye a beboa ma omanfo Ghana for na from say Ghanaian citizens ebenya gidie ewo mu no omomoden na omonye ne sa.
Have faith in us. They must have so much faith in us that they want to collaborate with us because they believe in what we are doing. That in the end, it's about their own safety. So the perceptions are important. They may not even have any basis in objective reality, but they are important. We must be friendly. We must put ourselves out there for them to know that it's for their benefit that we exist.
When ensembia omampanyin abedieche edichu tu jabra okopie mu ewo Interior Ministry na onwo mo kasa no yetwa enkomo no eso yetwa kasebo no eso ane ekwa kopie mu ewo Bank of Ghana akache sese ameno kasa ni mpanfo abomodin edin hihye bi egu akwema ebeboa ama bibi efense financial literacy no ebekoso ye ewo Ghana hase pa yankasa ye Ghana cedis na yedi ewo Ghana hase na osi yehu do's and don'ts na sese ye ene ne sese ye na se wo sika ukita sika ade kwan ben so na obetimi afa dane dane sika no ama mpo aye bebre ade ama ni na edwuma dia Bank of Ghana afa to no so se obedi na aboa timamufo na ebra mpanyifo ebo omodin ekopie mu ewo Western Region senior high school Archbishop Porter Girls na omone adesuafo no etwetwe nkomo no omochire omo enema bebre esanse omogidi se ode hye abofra na se a onyini a
No, the bank has been carrying out a lot of financial literacy activities. We've been doing market women. We have been on radio, on television. We've been on social media, educating the public on their rights and their responsibilities, what they need to know when it comes to products and services that are provided within the banking sector. Now, we've thought of having this also for our second cycle institutions. The idea is to catch them young. We want to imbibe the same knowledge with the kids. Once they go home, they'll be able to also explain some of the things to their parents, and they themselves will be able to make some sound financial decisions. So the bank, in its wisdom, decided that we should engage senior secondary schools students and then give them this kind of education.
Adesuafo a eje ntitiye ewo sa financial literacy adesuan mu no omoso echeye ne omotimi asua ewo sa adesuan mu.
The Bank of Ghana came to educate us on many things, and what intrigued me the most is how to cater for our Ghanaian cedi. So today I learned that there are special features on the Ghanaian cedi that makes blind people to be able to recognize the currency they are using by feeling it, making them very inclusive and teaching us how to care for our currency, such as not folding it, not using it for money bouquets and other stuff, which was very educational.
I have learned that I am not to share my PIN code or anything concerning my logins to anyone.
I can attest to the fact that today's program was a very impactful one, and I believe it's going to have a very significant impact in my life.
Coastal TV area donkro kasebo na uguso a wo hwe kasebo yi echagu ewo Coastal TV digital channel no so 514 sanso na Facebook and YouTube no obenya ye ewo ho tese asamba ko a aba obia etwe no sere ni abasa ewo befo ntentan kese so ye internet yi so ano eye miracles abwaje bebi abefa bia na aisa sent no nidin age bebia ni nyina eye asema esiye eye memende etwam ma yokofo ekofa no ede no ekotwe omo kukumu na ekoye nsem bebre ama MPP amanyoko no ema no bi ejichi ekoyi yokofo akache se omo mpene omo ntiase a eyeye enyeye kra se yebeche miracles abwaje na yede no atumu ntino na omo hwe na omo akase omunyano iyokofo enyano na onkofie sanse onye boni bia na enano nentia yensa akanisa nyame adom iyokofo atimi ejano se onkofie nemom bill edaso bill no eyesikaboti a eye 50 million Ghana cedis eno ni sika eda ni bill no eso MPP amanyoko no mpanyifo MPP koma ebi eka ho na ebo omodin ekwohiemu ewo iyokofo akache bra na omo ayo madwen se omo beja no ama no akofie mpanyifo ni bi ekasa yenti asema ekoso.
And he came, and they said when they needed him, they'll call him. So I believe that democracy and the rule of law has been reversed backwards. That a man who is not running away and is decent enough to go to the Kotoka International Airport, or what they call the Accra Airport, is arrested and detained all this while. I don't believe that is how we should conduct affairs. It is not proper. As if he's a common criminal, and I don't see common criminals coming to the Kotoka Airport. That's the first point. The second point, which is very, very interesting, is that, look, you interrogate a man and you are running over 4 hours. Marking time until we got our turn. In the final analysis, the bail conditions are cruel and oppressive. Look at this very hour. They are about to exceed the 48 hours as enshrined in the Constitution. Where is this gentleman going to get 3 sureties, 50 million as a bill sum, and then the properties should worth 50 million, and 2 should post that properties. How are we going to do it? So you can see clearly that the jail terms are cruel, and there's a way to punish it some more. It's not possible for us to post these securities at this particular hour. And I could say that the rule of law is sitting outside now. It's very unfortunate. So we need relief today. How is it going to be released? How is it going to post the bail bonds? How is it going to do it? 50 million Ghana cedis, 3 sureties, 2 to be justified. That means 2 of them should post properties. Well, 50 million.
Has any of the bill conditions been met?
How can it be met?
You are not paying attention.
How can it be met?
The man is talking.
How can it be met? This critical hour. Why are you going to find properties worth 50 million?
I'm finding it tonight.
I'm finding it tonight.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
when in Sambia free MPP paying for Nibi and no brana omo yoko for akache bisase yenja miracles abwaje emanunko na sebia won no ayewa adwemu na sebia won say ensem na ekoso no ase ama memma wo inhyemu kakra ene bibi kakra won so ebetimi abo ama won so wate ase ene nti no yebeda 3 news fast say omutimi ediwe no eto intintan kese no eso na yoko for echemu say miracles abwaje no ebra na oye executive secretary ema IMCCOD Ejumakuo no bra na oye executive secretary no enyema bebre ene course ni edikan brofo kasem no say conspiracy to steal and stealing na cha say adwempo bi ekoso say krono bi ebekoso na krono bi nso asanso akoso na using public office for profit na cha say ni dibra ya de ma no say executive secretary no wogina eno so de ma ono ankasa onyamfaso ebi so ananka ni say eba no sa causing financial loss to the state na cha say wama oman no aboka bubuja dissipation of public funds na cha say wachiche ananso say sika ananka eye oman no edia no ode aye adefofro defrauding by false preferences ananso pretenses na cha say wafa kwati kwan bi so ama fraud jumedie bi akoso ewo eye ejuma numu na money laundering necessary sika bi akwakopie baby anani se epie sika bi akwakopie no bottom eye aban sika oman ni sika bi akwakopie no bottom eno ni nso ne ensem bi ekoso na other suspected offenses na cha say eni susu say wodi boni bi so eka ho waye nyamran nsem bi so eka niema boboso yi ho na eno no mrani krabia na be kire say ne na ka ho anaso say wea na ye fa ne sa nti wei na eye iyokofo ejina so etimi ema wo nsa ka miracles abwaje eye nano memenda a etwamu asese no yamano bill no sika eda so eye 50 million Ghana cedis inti emra na oye executive secretary ema interministerial coordinating committee on decentralization IMCCOD ejumaku no Yanto akase bono eso na efe yenkopie mu ewo ensem foforo mu na yenyina no yebeti ase se oman bi ya na fimi no na me no nso na chese emabunu enan so na esi sempenfo yi eni ho a eye emabunu na ebeba bedi wo mo ade na the base party eye party bi a eboboba party bi a fe na eyiniti a chese o mo so hwe kwan se afi 2028 no Ghana for ede wo mo ewe ebehye wo mu sane beya ombetimi ato aba ede ama womo na ne science na chese so ombehia MPs member of parliament anomakwa kogina omafo anemu ewo mrahye bedwam na sese ameno ka say abaya bako a onono aba be chese nyame ya adoma na omafo ede omo agidie ehyenimu a obegina se mrahye bedwani na oye ababa wa bi a wadi infisha no eduonu mienu eye 22 year old lady and also say woman ono na aba be chiem say nyame ya adoma opese ogina say mrahye bedwani na abra ode na chimupo intentions etudwa no okansem bebre ya mepese yebetie na no asem na efe ye ba ne aka no ye de ato aso.
Good morning, good people of the media, fellow citizens of Menchia South, traditional authorities, religious leaders, youths, women, men, persons with disabilities, business owners and stakeholders. I am Ejewa Bafuboni Michaels, popularly known as Okodie. Today I sit here before you with humility, courage and deep sense of responsibility to announce my intention to contest for the position of Member of Parliament for Menchia South constituency. I am one of you. I have experienced the problems, thick and thin movement, and therefore a befitting candidate who has heard and seen it all. So I understand the needs of the people. Enough is enough. This decision is born out of my unwavering belief that leadership is about service, integrity, competence, and courage to stand for the people. As a young Ghanaian woman, I am inspired by the conviction that
Our constituency deserves the leadership that is accessible, accountable, focus on delivering practical solutions. Some identifiable problems we are currently facing in this constituency are youth unemployment and underemployment. Many young people struggle to find decent jobs despite having qualification and skills, and they end up on the streets. Limited support for small businesses. Traders, artisans, market women often face challenges accessing affordable credit, training and business development opportunities. Educational challenges. Some schools need improved infrastructure, health care access, poor road and drainage, sanitation and waste management, security concerns. Residents often seek stronger community policing, better street lighting, and measures to reduce theft and drug-related crime. Digital inclusion. We lack digital inclusion, honestly. Greater access to IT training, internet connectivity, and digital opportunities can help young people compete in today's economy. However, in this constituency, we lack this opportunity. Citizen engagement. Our constituency need an MP who is visible, accessible, consultative, accountable throughout the term. We need someone that we can assess, someone who doesn't stay up there and don't even come down to see his people or her people. These problems are the result of self-centered leaders who build political parties and personal interests instead of their people and Mother Ghana as a whole. I proudly identify myself with the base movement, a movement committed putting Ghana first instead of a party first, empowering citizens, promoting accountability, creating opportunities for all. Our politics must move beyond empty promises and focus on action, innovative and measurable impact. My vision for Menchia South is centered on empowering the young through jobs, entrepreneurship, innovation, supporting women with economic opportunities, leadership development and social protection, championing quality education and improved healthcare, promoting local businesses, ensuring transparent, accountable, and pure-centered leadership. Building strong partnership with traditional authorities, faith-based organization with civil society. This journey is bigger than one individual. It is a call for every citizen who believes that the future of Menchia South should be shaped by unity, integrity, innovation, and service. I invite every resident, regardless of age, background, or political belief, to join this movement for positive change. Even if you were born by blood for any particular party, you should change your mind, come together and build this movement for positive change. Together, we can build a constituency where every young person has hope, every woman has opportunity, every business can grow, every community can thrive. This campaign will be conducted with respect, peace, dignity, and commitment to issues that matter to the people. The time has come for a new generation of leadership. Leadership that listens, serves, and delivers. Together, let us build a stronger Menchia South. Together, let us build a stronger Ghana. Thank you, and may God bless you, Menchia South and the Republic of Ghana.
We any ensembia the base party ababawa wedi mfinshano eduonu mienu 22 years na opese obegina as member of parliament Emma Menchia South no ode etu omanfo nyina enim Yebejina ni nsemi so na yede eye kasebo no nyina aba no ewie de ni nyina ebesi ase na ya mo bia ayiko ene tie nyame adoma ochina se adepa ba bi chie na se donkunya ba yebesa nso edi ehia bi midi no eye AFIBA ESSIEN bomadian na ni Coastal TV entina